I'm Jerry Ingram. I'm the owner of Volunteer Home Mortgage. We are a locally owned and operated mortgage broker company located in Maryville, Tennessee. I love meeting people and just being here for them. We provide all types of mortgages. You just give me a call at 865-238-7500 and online at volunteerhomemortgage.com.
Happy Thursday, everybody. Sure hope you have a great day. Big area of low pressure to our north and northeast, bringing us that northwesterly flow, ushering the cooler and drier air. And so yes, this morning is colder than what it was yesterday morning by about 5 to 10 degrees or so, with areas of low to mid 30s across upper East Tennessee. Some areas of frost expected there. Not a lot of frost for other locations, but the frost is going to start to pick up over the next 7 days. I'll talk more about that coming up in just a second. Plus, we're going to be previewing that Halloween forecast and maybe our first taste of snow across the highest peaks of the Smokies. I'll keep you posted on that. Stay tuned. All right, here we go. So north of Interstate 40, we're going to be in the mid to upper 60s. South of Interstate 40, upper 60s to low 70s. So not a bad day ahead of us today with plenty of sunshine and a nice cool evening. So grab the jackets if you have outdoor plans after about sundown tonight. Now the wind's going to pick up a little bit throughout the day today, gusting to about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So less wind today than what we saw yesterday, but still a little bit of that fall breeze. Now, when you look at dew points, remember that northwesterly flow is going to keep our dew points on the lower end before they start to climb. Because our dew points will be low and we'll have clear skies, we're talking about the possibility of some areas of frost and temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s Friday and Saturday morning. And then those lows kick back up before our lows kind of fall again by the middle part of next week. So we'll see how that all plays out. Our next weather maker has now moved its way into the Four Corners, producing snow across the Wasatch, the Rockies. Heavy rain's going to pick up over the next 24 to 48 hours west of the Mississippi River. As the storm system tracks its way across the state, here's Sunday. It's going to be well off to our west Saturday and Sunday. So we'll have some high-level clouds hanging out with us Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But rainfall amounts through the weekend likely to be null and void. However, that does change through next week as another weather maker moves on in, bringing us increasing chances for rain and maybe some very beneficial rain of up to an inch or so across parts of town. And that takes us all the way through next Thursday. So when you look at your rain chances, I'm going to keep them at a 30% right now. I think Wednesday, Thursday will probably be the wettest days, although Sunday into Monday we could see some decent amount of rain settling on in, but I'm going to keep it 30% as of right now. We'll see how this all plays out. We're going to stay right around average for this time of the year all the way through Sunday, then below average weather as we get into next week as we track our next little weather maker that is going to draw in some cooler air. So let's preview this trick-or-treat forecast. Of course, it's a long ways away, but models are indicating it is going to be a chilly trick-or-treat forecast with temperatures only in the 40s. So we're going to have to grab the jackets. And as I mentioned, maybe our first little taste of snow. We'll see how it all plays out. This takes us all the way to not this Saturday. This is the following Saturday, by the way. You can see maybe 1 inch to 2 inches across the highest peaks of the Smokies. But what's the probability on that? Well, the probability is on the lower side. Only about a 2% chance that that's going to take place. But the chance is definitely there. And for those of you that love the snow across the highest peaks of the Smokies, hopefully this happens. All right, I sure hope you have a great day. Thanks for checking in with your Big Story Picture.